It's the brother man and we buff. This is how you do neutral grip seated row. Adjust the machine seat so that your knees are bent slightly above 90 degrees when you sit down. Adjust the stomach pad so that your arms are fully extended when grabbing the handlebars. Have a seat with your stomach on the pad and your feet flat on the ground. Grab the neutral grip handlebars with your palms facing each other. Bring your chest up before pulling the handlebars. Drive your elbows back and keep them in tight. Squeeze your back at the end of the movement and your hands should match your sides. Slowly lower the handlebars back down to the starting position and repeat the process. Up fast, down slow. That's how you do it. Now let's get buff.